you want to cut the back. All you need to do is just to fold your fabric into two again, then place the front part on top of it. Arrange your fabric very, very well so that you have a perfect finishing while cutting. So now that I have this, I will just follow all these parts. I don't need to start measuring again. The only thing I will need to do is to come up here, measure 3 inches. I know we have different ways of slanting, but this is the method I've been using, and it has been working perfectly for me. So I'll measure 3 inches here. Then I'll come to the shoulder blade and measure 2.5 inches. I'll connect these points together. Like this. Mind you, when we're doing calculation, when we wanted to cut the front part, we did calculation. But for this back part, just measure 1.5 inches. Now, before you do that, take your ruler and just go up so that you can rule a line like this, but it doesn't have to be straight. You can just slant your hand a bit like this. This is the straight one. Just add like half an inch to it so that it becomes slanted like this. So now I can take my measurement of 1.5 inches. Sorry, this way. 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches. You can still use your curved ruler. And use your curved ruler to get the curve at this point, or you use your hand. That is it. At this part too, place your ruler here and just follow the front part so that you can make a connection at that point. So just like this. Then we cut the back neck. Just follow the shape of the armhole for the front, pattern. Okay, now we're almost done with our pattern. The next thing you do is just to bring this back pattern, fold it towards the front pattern, and check. Let it overlap by half an inch, and check if you have a balanced neck. Check if your neck is balanced, like what I have here. If it is, then you don't have any problem, you can go ahead. But if it is not, now why I'm having a balanced neck is because I slanted my hand. If you remember, when I wanted to roll this line, I did not just go straight. I added half an inch to it. But then you went up straight. By the time you fold at this point, you have excess coming in. And that's not a problem anyway. All you need to do is just to use your chalk to form a perfect, half circle. Then you trim so that you have a perfect round neck. I still have to trim a little here. Yeah. So now my neck is perfect. I have a perfect neck now. So I can even go ahead and measure around what I have so that I'll be sure my neck measurement is correct.